Jai Gurudev children, how are you all? How was your festival? Had good fun? Yes, even I had great fun. Come, let's start today's class. Before that, we shall revise whatever we have learnt about subtraction. Okay? What is the symbol of subtraction? Show me all of you. You're right. The minus sign. That's the symbol for subtraction. When you take away one number from another number, that is called as subtraction. Right? You remember it? Very good. We had even learned how to do the subtraction by taking away the objects, by crossing the lines and keeping the bigger number in your mind and keeping the smaller number on your fingers by counting backwards. You remember all these children? Are you practicing it? Good. Then today we shall learn how to do the subtraction for the word problems. Okay? Come, let's start the class.
Children, look, he is Tittu. He is holding balloons in his hand. Come, let's count and see how many balloons are with Tittu. Correct, he has 9 balloons. Look what happened. Children, did you observe? Some of the balloons blew away. Did you count how many of them blew away? You're right. 4 balloons blew away. Now, if we have to write the same situation as a question, come, let's see how we have to write it. Tittu had 9 balloons. 4 of them blew away. How many balloons are left with him? Can you count, children, how many balloons are left with him? How many of them he is holding? Yes, he is holding 5 balloons. So when we have to write the answer, first we will write 9 minus 4 is 5. Children, here can you see, she is Geeta and her brother. Geeta bought 7 bananas. Okay, and see what her brother is doing. He eats few of the banana. Did you observe? Did you see how many bananas he ate? Correct, he ate 3 bananas. Now, if you have to write this situation as a question, we can write it like this. Geeta bought 7 bananas. Her brother eats 3 of them. How many bananas are left with Geeta? Count and tell me, children, how many are left? You're right. There are 4. So we can write it as 7 minus 3 is 4. Children, here we see there are few birds which are sitting on a tree branch, right? Now quickly count and let me know how many birds are sitting. Did you count? Oh, look there, the bird is ready to fly. Did you observe, children, how many birds flew away? Yes, 2 birds. First, how many birds were there? 8 birds were sitting on the branch. Then 2 birds flew away. Come, let's write it as a question now. There were 8 birds on the branch of a tree. 2 of them flew away. How many birds are left on the branch? Count and tell me, children, how many are left? Very good. So, we can see 6 birds. Let's write the answer. 8 minus 2 is 6. Look here, children, there are few kids who are ready. See, they are in their uniform. You know where they are going? Oh look, here comes the school bus. They are going on a picnic. You know, in this class there are few students here. Can you count how many of them are there? Yes, there are 9 children. Now, let's see how many girls are there, okay? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. 6 girls are there. Now, if there are 6 girls, then how many boys are there? Come, let's find out. 1, 2, 3. So we know now 6 girls and 3 boys are going on a picnic. Now let's write it as a question. 9 students went on a picnic. 6 of them were girls. How many boys went on the picnic? Now this is the question. Let's write the answer. 9 minus 6 is 3. So 3 boys. Children, look, she is Kamala. Can you observe? She has bought few eggs. Count and tell me, children, how many eggs are there? You are right, there are 7 eggs. And 1 egg is broken. So now count and tell me how many eggs are left with Kamala. Correct, she has 6 eggs now. Now let's write it as a question. Kamala bought 7 eggs. 1 of them was broken. How many eggs are left? So let's write the answer. 7 minus 1 is 6. Children, I hope you understood how to solve the word problem. Let's revise what are the steps we have to look into when we have to solve the word problems. Okay. The first step, you have to read and understand the story or the problem. Okay. Second step, you can underline the keywords. For subtraction, they are gave away, had, less, are left. Okay. And the third step is you have to write the numbers one below the other and put the minus symbol. Then the last step is to solve the problem. Children, open your composite book, turn to page number 44, write today's date. Okay, here are some word problems. Let's solve them. First one is done. The question says, Sonal had 8 stamps. She lost 3 of them. How many stamps are left with her? So 8 minus 3, 5. The first one is done. We'll go to the second one. The question says, T2 had 9 balloons. 4 of them blew away. How many balloons are left with him? Do you remember we had done all these? Yes. So the answer will be 9 minus 4 is 5. We'll go to the third question. Geeta bought 7 bananas. Her brother eats 3 of them. How many bananas are left with Geeta? The answer will be 7 minus 3, 4. Children, as we have already discussed this answer, if you want you can pause the video, solve it on your own, then check the answer. Okay. We'll go to the fourth one. There were 8 birds on the branch of a tree. 2 of them flew away. How many birds are left on the branch? So we'll write the answer. 8 minus 2 is 6. we'll go to the fifth question. 9 students went on a picnic. 6 of them were girls. How many boys went on the picnic? The answer is 9 minus 6, 3. Sixth question. Kamala bought 7 eggs. One of them was broken. How many eggs are left? So we'll write the answer as 7 minus 1 is 6. Did you complete it, children? Good. Children, on page number 45, there are few more word problems. You know the steps to solve them, right? So read it carefully, understand, write the number one below the other. Don't forget to put the subtraction sign and then solve it. Okay. You can see question number 11 and question number 12. It is just a sentence which says what number is 4 less than 9, and the 12th question is how much is 7 more than 4. So when you come to the 11th question, keep the bigger number in your mind, smaller number on your fingers. We have learnt it. Okay, you will do that. And when you come to the 12th question, how much is 7 more than 4? So keep the bigger number in your mind and the smaller number on your finger and solve it. Okay, we'll check for the answers in the next class. Children, I hope you all have completed your homework which was given on page number 41 in your composite book. Very good, children. Pause the video and check for your answers. Okay, if you have gone somewhere wrong, read the question again. Okay, solve it and then check the answers. Children, this is a fun activity for you. Okay, it is to write the number story, just like how we have learnt to write. Okay, you have to use the words which are given in the box. The words are gave away, had, ate, flew, are left, were left, used, lost, broke. These are like your helping words. Okay, use them and write the number story. Like one example I will tell you. You can write Rishi had 4 sweets. He gave away 2 to Rinki. How many are left with Rishi now? Understood, children? So you can write 4 minus 2 is 2. I want you to write the questions like this. Use these words and write the question. Okay, practice it. You can write it in your classwork or in your rough book, anywhere, any book you want. Okay.